Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to change ChatGPT theme. Once you're signed in ChatGPT, just go ahead and click your account on the lower left hand side of your profile, then click on settings. Under general you'll find theme. Currently mine is showing the light theme, but if I click the drop down I can choose dark theme as well. Keep in mind that when you first install ChatGPT, it will show you the system theme, and the system theme is pulling from your PC. Now, to see what theme or mood your PC is in, you will see the current colors. And if you want to change that or check that, just simply go ahead and search for your settings. In my case, I'm using the Windows 11. I'm going to just simply right click on the taskbar and click in settings. Now, on the personalization, you want to go ahead and click in colors, and here you'll find choose your mood, and it will show you the current theme that is in. As I said, mine is in the dark, and that's why my chat gpt would have pulled the dark, right, automatically. But you can always go ahead and choose that, and by default it is going to set the system, but you can always change that to whatever you want. But that's pretty much all there is to it. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.